Understanding the phrase, ice cold, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we have an interesting phrase to discuss, ice cold. You might have heard it in various contexts, but what does it truly mean? Let's dive in and find out together, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll not only understand it but also be able to use it confidently in your conversations. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Ice cold is a compound adjective made up of two words, ice and cold. On their own, these words have distinct meanings. Ice refers to frozen water, known for its very low temperature. Cold, on the other hand, is an adjective that describes the absence of heat, resulting in a low temperature. When combined, ice cold describes something that is extremely cold, almost as if it has been in contact with ice or has been frozen. You can use ice cold in various contexts. Here are some examples. 1. Describing temperature. The water from the mountain stream was ice cold. 2. Describing drinks. On a hot summer day, there's nothing better than an ice-cold drink. 3. Describing feelings or reactions. She gave him an ice-cold stare when he tried to apologize. 4. Describing atmosphere or situations. The room went ice-cold after his controversial statement. In all these examples, ice-cold helps to emphasize the extremity of the coldness, whether it's literal or metaphorical. It's also important to know when not to use ice cold. Avoid using it to describe things that are moderately cold or just slightly chilly. The phrase implies an extreme level of coldness, so it wouldn't be appropriate to use it for situations that do not meet that criteria. Let's do a quick exercise. Try to create your own sentences using ice cold. Think about different contexts you might find yourself in, and how using this phrase can help you express yourself more vividly. And there we have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, ice cold. I hope this video has helped to clear up any confusion and has shown you how to use this phrase effectively in your daily conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to use ice cold whenever you describe something extremely cold. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing. Until next time, happy learning!